Hi, how's your day been like so far? Welcome back to Health and Medicine. Whether or not you will be healthy depends largely on what you eat. When it comes to guy health maintenance, some foods are the treasures, while others can make your digestive health go topsy-turvy. So what foods can be your body's enemy? No points for guessing out. The following 3 types of foods are the ones you should stay away from. 1. Foods containing sugar. The gastroenterologist, Dr. Kurt Vernon, suggests his patients and practically everyone avoid sugary foods as much as they can. Sugary foods can give your tongue a satisfying taste. However, this is a crime for your body. Brown sugar, white sugar, corn syrup, cookies, artificial sweeteners, and foods made of sugar are harmful to your digestive health and body. They increase your weight and affect your gut bacteria badly and severely. If you do not cut down on your consumption of sugar, the outcomes can be life-threatening. Solutions: instead of using sugar, use honey if you need that sweet taste. If you desire chocolate, remember the dark ones are your best choice. 2. Foods containing gluten. Gluten is a kind of protein found in many grains, including barley, wheat, and rye. Gluten can give your foods a good texture and make them taste better. But gluten is not that healthy for your gut health. Many people are sensitive or allergic to gluten. If you are not, and consume it regularly, it still can harm the good bacteria in your gut, leading to digestive issues, including irritable bowel syndrome and indigestion. Solutions: nowadays, there are many non-gluten options available. Gluten-free substitutes can be found for almost all kinds of foods you are able to think of. Your gut will thank you later for making the change. 3. Processed and fast foods. These foods contain gluten, sugar, high level of calories, and harmful bacteria. So if you thought that how a slice of pizza or a bag of chips can possibly harm you, think again. Solutions: to satisfy your junk craving and to avoid the processed fast foods, choose healthier versions. Try using coconut oil or olive oil to make some homemade oven-baked French fries, broccoli fries, or similar healthier ones. 3 foods enemies affecting your work performance. 1. Too much caffeine. Caffeine can help us get our day off to a good start or offer us some boost for the afternoon. But caffeine can go from being a friend to an enemy when you drink too much of it. We are talking about irritability, tremors, headaches, palpitations, and trouble sleeping, etc. It's best to restrict your daily intake of caffeine to 400 milligrams or less. Solutions: choose the machine that can make espresso or other kinds of coffee in small amounts. You can choose decaf coffee or teas and limit the sweetened cola and energy drinks. 2. Meals with high fat. Some foods like poutine are high in calories. After eating them, you will feel heavy. This type of food needs a longer time to digest, and you may even feel like taking a nap. This is what usually occurs with meals that are high in fat and too rich. They take a long digestion time, which takes up much energy during the hours following the meal. These hard to digest, high in fat meals are the worst food enemies for work performance. Solution: get light meals with balanced proportions: 1/4 grains, 1/4 proteins, 1/2 vegetables plus fruits. 3. Working while eating. Quite a few people will consider saving time and doing more with their time if they eat while working on their smartphones, tablets, or computers. However, studies have shown that eating in front of the screen leads to overeating. The reason is that we will eat mechanically as our concentration is elsewhere, and then we won't pay attention to our fullness cues. So thinking we can use the mealtime to get a little ahead of our work won't give you the wanted effect. Solution: enjoy your true meal break. This will also give your brain a break, which can help you get back to work feeling energized. If you want to know more, follow us on Instagram, Health Medicine MDMPH. We're providing daily health hacks and updates to help you to live a healthier and happier life every day. Let's make small but daily progress, which will make a big difference in the near future. You can also find our Instagram link in the description box below. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with others who may find it helpful too. Your ongoing support has helped us make health and medicine more accessible to everyone. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.